Today we'll be learning how to set up two-factor authentication on LastPass. First, log into your master account. Once you've logged in, open up the menu on the left side. Once this is opened up, go down to the bottom, select Admin Console. Now on this page, you want to go over to the left side, select Settings, and Multi-Factor Options. Now this gives you a list of multi-factor authenticators you can allow. I recommend LastPass Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and Google Authenticator. These are 3 free multi-factor options that you can use. You can also limit which ones you want your users to use as well. If your organization uses some of these ones, you may want to leave these on. Once you switch which ones on you want, you select Update. For Teams accounts, you want to come over to Policies on the left side. You want to scroll down on the right side of the Recommended tab to Multi-Factor Authentication. You want to turn the switch on. It brings up this page. You want to enable, and now you can select all users, inclusive list of users, or exclusive list of users. I recommend selecting all users, and then save changes. And then now you are all set.